Oh yeah, good fish. Yeah, get out of there. Get out of there. Oh, he's got me tangled in the weed. Come give us a hand, man. Quick. Quick, quick, quick. Can you get your long legs down onto that rock there?
Yeah.
Give us your hand so you don't go in. Just try get the weed off first. It's only a single hook, so you shouldn't hook yourself. Just careful if he goes berserk like that. Yep. Put your hand under his belly, support the weight. Yep.
Holy shit. Got him?
Just hang on. Righto. Give us your hand. Fuck. Give me your wrist.
Fuck.
Alright. Have a go at that, mate. Hey? That's a nice fish. Guts are a bit empty.
Jesus. Look healthy too, yeah.
He smacked that frog. That was a Z-Man frog. I might get a... No, he's going to be 8. I'll get a quick measure. Righto.
That's a massive fish, man. When I heard that hit, I thought you fell in.
It was a good hit.
Yeah.
He just... I thought I seen one tail up before, but... Get a quick measure. He's not going to be a PB or anything. Excited 70, probably 75. Old fish though. Look at the buff head on him. Weedless hook. What a beautiful fish, eh? Get this hook out and get him back.
Fuck, like he got long legs, eh? Try and get down there.
Yeah, I was thinking of me doing it, and I thought, hang on, your legs are 20 foot long.
Oh, look at the beauty.
Beautiful fish. I'm gonna chuck him back. Just fit with the other water.
Yep.
Oh, what a top fish. Your hands are shaking. I'm
yeah.
gonna have to put the stabiliser on that.
Jeez.
Oh. That's what I got her on. That's the Z-Man hard leg frog. What colour is it? I don't even know what colour. Sort of a natural colour. But I've caught heaps of fish on these before, and I thought I'll put one on because it's pretty weedy here. And yeah, I'm actually pretty sure I saw this fish come up and turn. He wasn't that interested, but I just saw the white tip of his tail sort of cruise off, and then 2 or 3 casts later, all far. So he had me in trouble for a bit around the sticks there, but got him out, and then he got into the weed, and then got him out, and lucky Big Miles was here because he's 6'6" or whatever you are.
Something like that.
So his long old emu legs could reach down to the water to grab him for me, otherwise I would have ended up in. So teamwork. Mad. I'll try to find another.